Hi, today we are going to talk about 7 powerful reasons to learn French. Being monolingual in today's world is not enough, and if you are, there are a lot of opportunities that will pass you by. If you're interested in starting to study a language, why not try French? Let's look at a few of the benefits of speaking French. First, French is not as difficult as it seems. French and English have a lot of words in common. 35% of English words come from French. Another 15% share the same Latin roots. These words are called cognates. They are the same in different languages and can even sound the same. This could be an excellent starting point for you when building your vocabulary pool. In no time, you'll be able to communicate in French. French is useful when traveling. Reason number 2. France is one of the world's top tourist destinations. 79.5 million people visit every year, and I'm sure that Paris, Nice, Strasbourg, and Biarritz are part of your bucket list, and the ability to speak the language will make it more enjoyable when you visit. You will be able to better understand the culture, and you can also use French in various other countries like Haiti, Canada, Luxembourg, Madagascar, Mali, Rwanda, and much more. You won't believe how many places in the world where French is spoken. This brings me to reason number 3. French opens horizons. According to the 2017 InternetWorldStats.com report, French is the 7th most used language in the Internet. When learning French, you acquire the ability that the language offers, and you start having different views through communicating with French speakers all over the world. French is the 6th most widely spoken language in the world and is the only language alongside English spoken in 5 continents. That's a powerful reason. French makes learning other languages easy. When you know French, learning the other 5 Romance languages becomes easier. These are the languages that derive from Latin. Spanish, Italian, Portuguese, Romanian. These languages share lots of cognates and their grammar structure is very similar. English is also considered a Romance language because 50% of current English vocabulary comes from French. It shares a great deal of formal, scientific, cultural, and political terms. Another reason, French is the most taught language in the world. There are over 120 million French students in the world. And in the UK, almost every school offers French as a foreign language. When you speak French, various opportunities open up at a higher education level. You'll be able to apply to renowned French universities, which are the top highest institutions in Europe. Students with a good level of French are eligible for French government grants to enroll in postgraduate courses. Another reason, French is an important business language. French is the 3rd business language worldwide, only surpassed by Mandarin and English. The ability to speak French is an excellent asset and gives you advantages in the international market. You can easily find a job in French companies in France as well as in other parts of the world. Other countries look towards France as it is the 5th biggest economy and the 3rd ranking destination for foreign investments. French is the language of culture. When you know French, you can read the great works of French literature and philosophy in the original language. French is, as well, the language for fashion, cuisine, dance, visual arts, and architecture. Learning French will expose you to countless adventures whilst you're communicating with many French speakers all around the world. You will have the opportunity to taste the food, to immerse in the culture, and most importantly, you will have fun. So French is not as difficult as it seems. So why not start straight away? If you are at an intermediate level and you are feeling stuck, click on the link and register to the video workshop to overcome the fear of speaking French. Don't wait for long. Start now.